nigga. Dirty man in the club, 45 I'm a good. Young nigga in the club, take you out for some joints.
What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl for Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell everybody because we litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, y'all might see this probably after Christmas, because it's Christmas related. But still, you can still do this. What I'm about to do without it being Christmas. So hold on, I'm just trying to get settled. So yeah, this is just a little idea I had seen on social media, so I figured I could do my own little spin on it. And yeah, so I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to be doing in just a moment. I'm making 5, but only 4 came. And I'm still waiting for the other one. So we're gonna be making 4. So alright, y'all. So yeah, I seen this idea on social media and I said, why not do my own spin on it? I'm gonna be throwing stuff while I go, throwing stuff away while I go, So we have stainless steel cup. It's not a Stanley, but it's okay. These cups have either been purchased from Temu or Amazon. So first we're going to take out the little accessories, please. Tennessee. So y'all, I'm gonna try to be doing like some new different type of content, like DIYs and stuff. So if y'all can get jiggy with this, let your girl know. Holla at your girl. Somebody straw fell out. Okay, hold on. Alright. And I got these screwers from Amazon. I'm gonna put my phone here so don't distract me. These from Dollar Tree. It's gonna be a combination either from Temu, Amazon, or Dollar Tree. So, oh, and Big Lots. Y'all, so I don't know if y'all remember when I told y'all they was closing Big Lots down. I knew they was gonna do this foolishness. They closed it down just to open it back up. It's the madness for me. It's the madness for me. So you don't have to do this, but this is what I'm doing. We got some peppermints. These is from Big Lots. Mr. Want to close, then reopen and say, oh, grand opening. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I told my family, but I think they did. I ain't gonna say nothing, but allegedly, when places be closing like that, I'm saying allegedly because I ain't saying they be doing that, but allegedly, when they do stuff like that, when places close and everything must go and they actually close down and reopen back up under the same name, I be thinking like, man, Y'all lazy asses just didn't want to probably front face the store and get rid of all of that old stuff, so y'all selling as much as y'all can sell and throw it away. The lazy way. So, anywho. So, put some of these in here. And then these screwers. I hope this is enough. It said it's 200. I think it said, I don't know. Is it 200? Or no, it's 100. And we gonna need some tape. For the love of money. So, alright, let's get it popping. So, for this cup, y'all just work with me. You gotta wait. Don't be impatient. You go like, wait, what's going on? Hold on, I'm trying to. Hold on, y'all. I should have had this together. But it's a-okay. And everything's not going to be color coordinated, so, you know. And that's okay. All right, so you're going to take the screwers and I'm just going to tape them probably like at the base part. It's tape, you can always take the tape off. I just want to make sure everything is secured. So I'm gonna put another piece of little tape up here. I mean, you don't have to. I just want it to be secure on the flat part of the lotion. You know. And then stick this in the cup. So then it's gonna look like this. Let me not move it too much. Let me tear some of this tape off, because, babes, it's gonna be taking forever. And these are the miniature size spray bottles from Bath and Body Works. Utilize when they be having those sales, y'all, because that's what I did. Like this Christmas, now that I'm older, I noticed that like everybody don't be even on that stuff for real on Christmas. You know, the older you get, everybody just be doing their own thing. So I just figured, like, why not just do something like this? Something cute, simple, very useful, and you can't go wrong with this. Can't go wrong. Very simple. Depends on what you want to put in yours. I've seen people put like little miniature alcohol bottles like Crown, Tito's. We're not doing all of that. Everybody that's getting one, they drink wine. So I got simple. The simpleness. These some cute little miniature shutter home joints. Something real cute. You want to make sure this is downward because this is the part that you're sticking in the foam. I'll take the foam out in a minute so y'all can see how the foam looks. That's how it looks. Put that back in there. I don't know. Tell me y'all, is there any like gifts y'all did, like DIYs? Non-traditional or traditional? Are y'all big on gift giving? Did y'all cook this holiday? My family cooked for Thanksgiving. We're not cooking for Christmas. Like, that's just too heavy. So instead, we're having spaghetti. Spaghetti, I think, and meatballs and sausage and stuff. My uncle's making it. He's definitely the spaghetti connoisseur. So very non-traditional, may I say, for us. Because, baby, we having spaghetti for Christmas. Yeah. These darn nails of mine. And these are cup accessories. Hold on, let me put this out. Yeah. Sit that down first. Put this on. I don't know, it's like so much stuff. I think this goes like this. Ooh, hold on. I might not be able to put this on here. Oh no, y'all know my nails. Hold on. Hold on, y'all, my fingers. Trying to. Y'all, this is crazy work. Hold on, y'all. Let me try to put this on here. I'm back on here because that accessory that I was trying to put on there, it was giving me a hard time. So far, this is what the cup looks like. I think I'm gonna just make them and then show y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come up here and make them first and then I'll show y'all. I'll be back.